Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. We heartily welcome you all to our YouTube channel cadcaemaster. If you enjoy what you see, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. Well, agenda here is to deal with the automatic method to convert the nodal thickness to properties that we are going to see in this session. Let's get started with this. Okay, so in this session we'll see how we can just convert the thickness automatically to the PIDs. Okay, so in the last session we had covered it with the manual method where we selected the entities, regions manually and defined the thickness with respect to PIDs, but here we'll see how we can do it automatically. Okay, so for this I'll just simply use the mesh, mid mesh and middle. So from here the casting, define the values and then just recognize the casting component and then you'll get the shell out of it. So you can hide the CAD and this is how it looks like. Yeah. So if you just convert to PID, and you could say everywhere it is a single PID now. So for this we have manually defined it in the last session. So if you want to measure it, you can just try with the elemental thickness, and here if you try to measure with this, it shows PID 1. In the sense it has the nodal thickness at the moment, PID thickness is not assigned. Yeah. So if you want to again clearly see the thickness range, you can just go to element thickness and color bar options from visible to set it to use min max. I would like to just stick it up to 8 and set the float to 8. And now you could see it show the regions. So here red is greater than 8, 7 in the sense the orange, likewise other colors. Yeah. Well, now how do we convert these into PIDs? So the shortcut is you can use the tool called convert, which we have thickness and convert from here, or else in the ANSA 25 version, if you go to mid surface, in the thickness we have the convert tool. You can just select that. So it is asking you to select the shells. I'd like to select everything. Click on next. We have two options, nodal to property and property to nodal. So right now we have all the nodal thickness once you use the mid mesh tool that we would like to convert into properties. It is going to ask you for the thickness step. So how it should increase. The step is 0.5. That is what we have defined. So it is asking you for the always create a new PID. Yeah, start PID if you want, you can mention. So if you want to create a perimeter out of them, so you can do that. Yeah. So once you select these options, if you just click on finish, it shows 23 new PIDs were applied for 29,295 elements. Now let's see if you use the measure tool. So you could see here it is 6 as we have seen here, and here it is 7 red, 3, 6, 1.5, 2, 5, 2, like that. So if you want to see the PIDs, you can turn it off, and these are all the PIDs. So in the earlier session I had used it manual method because sometimes it will create a lot of PIDs. You can see in such cases. So this is all the manual work. So where you need to define the uniform PIDs. Yeah. So these regions and all. So it depends. Okay. So if you would like to keep these PIDs as it is, you can just keep it up, or else you can just create it as per the need. So this is how it looks like if you just convert into the raw shell as solid. Yeah. almost fine. So yeah, that's all about this session. Just to summarize, we had gone through the automatic method of converting the nodal thickness to properties. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. We heartily thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram for behind the scenes content and the updates. Stay curious, stay awesome, and see you again in the next video.